happens when you're a white stage in a group ride. You're going to hit people. You're absolutely going to hit people. Oh, we got somebody else coming. That motorcycle came back to get him. 360 moan, here we go.
Big slowdown in traffic for such a large group.
80, 90, okay, we're on the interstate, but we're starting to get a little bit faster. The flow of traffic is now starting to slow down. Somebody crashed, something happened. Somebody's stopping. There's no reason to stop on the interstate. There's no stoplights, nothing like that. So my big concern is somebody crashed. There's that crash, there's that crash. So this is what happens when you're a white stage in a group ride. You're gonna hit people. You're absolutely gonna hit people. Oh, we got somebody else coming. That motorcycle came back to get him. It's like, you knock me down, I'm gonna knock you down. Okay, so there's the stumbling. So careful with the stumbling. Okay, he's standing on 2 feet. There's one person on the ground. They don't have as much gear as this person. It looks like this person has something. My big concern is he's gonna lift that up. It doesn't have the kickstand down. It's gonna fall on the other guy. That's my big concern. So put the kickstand right now. Okay, somebody's gonna be there. Last thing you want to do is it to fall on the dude's hand and crush his hand. So he's got full gear. The other guy doesn't. Now we definitely have to rescue a rider. So we just talked about that group ride at night where it was a slow speed, relatively slow speed. This one is on the interstate. We were going like 70 miles an hour. So that means the people behind us were going about 80. So that's a really high impact. And it's not something that you want to go through. So let's see what happens here. Good thing we got the 360 camera. That guy was just going way too fast. Oh, he punched him. It was like a mirror punch, but he decided to punch him instead. So going a little too fast, endoed over because he slammed that front brake. He got some traction. There's the ankle. That's why we wear full gear and boots. The ankle got caught. Imagine having your ankle crushed because you're wearing sneakers.
For such a large.
So big group ride, we're all having a good time. Look at the total stopping distance and our space cushion. This is beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. And it's even based off of his speed. Okay, so it's doing pretty good. But take a look at his vision. He can see quite a bit. He's got escape routes to the left. He's got escape routes to the right. So he's doing a good job planning his ride. Planning his ride is, as best as he possibly can. I would prefer staggered, but this is good. This is good. We're gonna get through here. What's up, Robin? How you doing?
Very dangerous, and it had quite serious consequences.
So you notice how the space cushion is deteriorating. Now look how close we are. So what's happening here is that we're reacting to the people in front. The person behind us that's gonna crash into us is gonna react to us, but way late. What I want you to do as a motorcycle rider, especially in traffic or with other people, is react to the people way up here and even way up here. That's how far I want you to look. I don't want you to react to this brake light and this brake light. I want you to react to the brake light way up there, little itty bitty brake light. I want you to see that because that's going to cause a chain reaction of brakes. I want to react to the chain reaction way up ahead and not react to the people behind or right in front of me. And then hopefully the people behind me react sooner because I reacted sooner. So the sooner everybody reacts, the better. And that's where the staggered really comes in, is because you can swerve left and right in case of emergency, not hit anybody. But everyone's usually going the same speed, the same flow. Now this right here, this person is not going the same flow. We got down to 29 miles an hour. The person behind us is still going 80. They weren't paying attention. They were completely white staged. If you don't know what white staged is, it's right there, zoned out. We need to be in yellow stage, orange stage in this type of situation. Right now, orange stage. But red stage is when you do emergency stuff. Brown stage is you're going to do what this guy did behind us and completely screw up and find out last second that he needs to stop. So we're going to get through here. There's the impact. So take a look at that. Look how jarring of an impact that is. Completely removed his hands from the handlebars and knocks the bike forward. So that's what happens. He doesn't get knocked back. The bike gets knocked forward. But then we also have spinal, neck, and back injuries when it comes to that. Frontal impacts, you're going to have a lot of pelvic and spinal, neck, and back. This one, it's going to be mostly like the coccyx, your tailbone, and spinal, neck, and back. Either way, you're going to spinal, neck, and back, right? So he tries his best to save it, which is that was pretty good. That was really good. He did a red stage maneuver right here. So I really feel bad for this guy. So they're going to hit this rider right here, a nice taped exhaust. And it's going to cause that person now to go forward and hopefully not get injured. But look how much impact that was. It knocked the rear tire. Just this person hitting that person, then probably a little bit of activation of the brakes. And now we got our legs stuck. Now this person behind us is the one that got injured really bad. Really bad. So they're going to be kind of floating. Right, and there's that bike. It kind of came back. She must have fell off and it was turning a little bit. There's a lot that was involved in here, but take a look at his gear. He's got a leather jacket. He's got gloves that are really good. He's got boots that match him, so he's close to being a Power Ranger. I can't see his legs. I don't know where his legs are at. Can anybody tell me where his legs are at? But anyways, he's got boots, jacket, pants, helmet, no legs. Doing pretty good. Doing pretty good.
Don't move yet. Don't move.
Oh, don't move exactly. You never know. So he's going to be on the ground. At this point, just call 911. Assist him where you can, and then move on. All right, so JB Razor, the rookie, riding with a group of friends, staggered. Okay, but now we're in a good spot. So we're not staggered. We're in a good line for cornering, which is what you want. You want to ride your own line. But we are not doing what we need to do with our buddies. So now what do? We need to rescue this rider. It was a low side. He's wearing full gear, so I'm thinking already maybe he's okay. But I need to remain calm. I need to ensure my own safety, so I pulled off there. He's walking, good. He's breathing, good. Now we need to check for any of these symptoms. Head injuries, spinal cord, shocky symptoms.
God damn it, dude.
I know.
The tar snake got him?
Hey, get everybody to slow down. Hey.
Good. So how you can tell everybody to slow down is either one, real quick, go around that corner. Go around the corner and have your buddy do this. Hey, slow down, buddies. Hey, buddies. Or if you're on the Cardo Pack Talk Bold using the dynamic mesh system, you just go ahead and talk to them and say, hey, slow down, buddies. Links in the description for that. I love it. The local crew uses it.
I'll slow down.
You want to wait for them or you want to push it?
No, they'll all stop, dude. Just
give it time.
Yeah, you want to control it? Yeah, hang on now.
Okay, you ready?
Very good.
Yeah. Hang on, guys. Easy.
Good job. He's got full gear, so he's fine. Looks like everyone's doing good. We don't need to rescue anybody. Doesn't sound like a TBI or nothing. Quick shout out to Progressive for sponsoring this video. You see in the background, it's only going to take me about 3 minutes to get a quote. And that is what I want you guys to go do. Being a smart rider means that you are prepped and ready for anything. And crashing can be a real life possibility. So make sure you have some insurance so you can take care of your bike, take care of anything else, maybe even take care of yourself. Go ahead and get a quote. Super easy. Use the link in the description. Let's get going.
It was entirely the fault of the driver who, without any signaling or scene, almost pushes the bike off the road.
Okay, pushing the bike off the road. Alright, you're in a bad spot. You're being blocked. Okay, looks like we know each other, so this is Benjamin's view. So being blocked, non-issue. Move on with your day. Doesn't seem like a big issue. Okay, so your view. So let's see what happens. Oh, it was a merging issue. Hey, orange stage when you're in an intersection, just in case for mergings, especially for roundabouts. Now, intersections, you're going to have that left turn go in front of you and do a path of travel violation. With roundabouts, you're going to have merging issues. All right, Mr. Noisy, here we go. We're going to talk about you. We're moving through here once again through a roundabout, so watch out for any merging. Let's go ahead and go into orange stage. Any merging issues? The booster rider is not happy I passed him. That's his problem. What the heck was that, MotoStars? Did this even happen? What happened? So, Papa Christian, ooh, lost a little bit of traction on that. You got a little bit of gravel. You guys see that? It happened super quick. We'll go ahead and rewind it just a little bit. So watch the gravel hit. Woo! Little tail, little pucker. So right here, little, ooh, there's the loss of traction for a split second. So watch out for road surface hazards. So remember this, when we're cornering, we want to look far ahead. We need to adjust our speed prior to entering the turn. And then we want to have good throttle control. So maintain that throttle throughout the turn. And then when your nose is pointed out, go ahead and accelerate just a little bit so you can keep it going. You need to relax quite a bit. So the fact that he was able to hit this low traction spot and then relax, he did pretty good. And then you also want to keep looking. So the exit is coming up right there. So he's staying looking at the exit. He's not looking back and then crashing. So he's doing a good job there, moving on. So remember, look far ahead, adjust your speed, maintain good throttle control, relax, and keep looking. All right? Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.